Windows are one of the most important features of any home. They impact everything from energy efficiency to curb appeal, indoor comfort, and even your safety. In Colombia's variable climate, with hot, humid summers and cool winters, windows must perform year-round. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Below are some key signs that suggest your windows may need an upgrade. Your energy bills are creeping up. If you've noticed your heating and cooling costs rising without any major changes in your energy usage, your windows could be the culprit. Older or poorly sealed windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. In Colombia, where temperatures fluctuate significantly, this inefficiency becomes very costly. What to look for? Drafts near the window frame. Windows that feel cold in the winter or hot in the summer. Single pane glass without insulation. Modern energy efficient windows with features like double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and argon gas fillings can significantly lower your monthly bills and make your home more comfortable year-round. Visible damage or deterioration. Over time, windows can suffer from general wear and tear. Colombia's humid environment can also lead to wood rot, mold, or even insect damage. If your windows are warped, cracked, or showing signs of decay, it's time to replace them, not just for aesthetics, but for your home's structural integrity. Watch for warping or soft frame, cracked or broken glass, peeling paint, or signs of moisture inside the window. These issues not only affect the function of your windows but can also decrease your home's value and pose safety risks. You struggle to open, close, or lock them. Windows should open and close smoothly. If they don't, that's more than just a minor inconvenience, it's a security issue. Windows that stick, won't stay open, or don't lock properly can compromise your family's safety. In some cases, the problem may be due to a warped frame or rusted hardware caused by Colombia's high humidity levels. Replacing difficult or unsafe windows gives you peace of mind and restores functionality to your home. Condensation between panes. Double and triple pane windows are designed to insulate by trapping a layer of gas between panes. If you see condensation or fog between the panes, that means the seal has failed, and moisture is entering the unit. Not only does this cloud your view, but it also means the window has lost its insulating value. In Colombia's humid conditions, failed seals can also encourage mold growth. If this happens, replacement is the only long-term solution. Outdoor noise is becoming noticeable. Do you hear cars, barking dogs, or street traffic even when your windows are closed? Older windows, especially single-pane models, do little to block outside noise. Newer windows come with enhanced acoustic insulation, helping to make your home a peaceful retreat. This is especially beneficial if you live in a busy part of Colombia or near high traffic areas like downtown or major roads. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, the signs aren't about function but form. If your windows look outdated or clash with recent home upgrades, replacing them can transform your home's exterior. This is especially important in Colombia's competitive real estate market, where curb appeal can affect both value and buyer interest. New windows not only modernize your home's look, they also offer features like improved security, better UV protection, and more natural light. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a smart investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and safety. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, it may be time to consider window replacement in Colombia. Whether you're dealing with drafts, damage, or just outdated aesthetics, new windows can enhance your home's performance and value for years to come.